Hey everyone, welcome back for another productivity pro tip. Today, we're tackling task management with Microsoft To Do. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. Ever felt swamped by a never-ending list of tasks? Struggled to prioritize and keep track of daily to-dos amidst the chaos of sticky notes, random reminders, emails, messages, and more? Let's explore Microsoft To Do and how it can help. After opening the app, we can see several suggestions to get started. First, we'll look at how to create tasks. Notice how I can add it to my day, set a reminder, a due date, even repeat intervals for regular tasks, add a custom or one of the pre-selected options, and then add notes. I can even come in, create new steps in the task, and when ready, I can share a link to this list with a colleague to join in and collaborate. And for those of you who love customization, I can change the background, I can pin it to my desktop to stay on top of all other applications, add my tasks to it, come back in here, I can also update my list name, give it some flair, and there you have it. With Microsoft To Do, it's not only meant as another list, it's to help streamline your day, stay on top of responsibilities, and enhance collaborative work with others. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.